all of you, good morning. Class 7th, we discussed chapter 1, that is about number system, part 1. Okay, so in mathematics, you have studied about number system like natural number, whole number, real numbers. So same in computer, we are discussing number system in computers. Okay, first, before number system, we start, what is a computer language? What you understand by a language? A language is a medium through that we have to do communication now, from one person to another person, one machine to another machine. Like one example we are using all of you today, that is Zoom class. So you are online, okay, we all are online and we are communicating each other, that is called video conferencing. So we use a language that is English or Hindi. So same in the sense of computer language, two types of languages are there. Clear? So first one is low level languages, second is high level languages. Clear? Low level means machine language, that is also known as binary language. So computer understand only binary language, that is called low level or machine level language. So three names are there. Computer can understand low level, comma, machine level language, and you can say binary language. Clear? Computer never understand what is the number of 2, 10, 100, 1000. It can convert all this in your or in its own language, that is called binary language. Clear? First language. Now second is high level languages. High level languages only human can understand, not the machines. Clear? We all are human being, we can understand English. If you learn more language, then you can learn Punjabi, Telugu, English, for example, Spanish, French. So these all are called high level languages. So human being can understand easily, but a computer can understand high level language, but it should convert it first in its own language, that is low level language. Clear? So low level languages means these programming languages are designed for a particular computer architecture. Okay, that is also known as machine. Okay, with machine we have another language that is called assembly language. Assembly language means in this we use some codes, like we want to add two numbers. For example, two numbers, I write here ADD add, for example. Let's I use a notepad. I want to add two numbers, then I write ADD add, then first number is 2 space, second number is 3. So the assembly language can do addition of that two number, 2 plus 3. Simply we have written 2 plus 3, we all understand now. 2 plus 3 is 5. Same we write in assembly language, that is called coding language. Like I write here ADD add 2 space 3. So add 2, 3 means the answer will be 5. So codes we have to use like MUL multiplication. MUL means multiplication. It is a coding. So answer is 5. Okay. Before here add 2 is assembly. Now next topic is machine language. I have told you machine language is used 0 and 1 digits. Okay. So machine means computer can convert all high level program, word, number, subtraction, mul for multiplication, and any other code like in reasoning and aptitude you are using. Okay. Now next is high level languages. High level language only human being can understand, like English, any mathematical symbol we can understand easily. So few advantages of high languages are there, like understanding, or you can say understandability. Programs written in these languages are easier, this one, easier to read and understand than those in low level languages. Debugging means it is a process, easily we have to find and remove errors in programs, that is called debugging. Like for example, I am telling you he So we use it not it's for error finding. Okay. So error finding, we find out errors in an array. What is portability? Portability means high level independent programs do not require details from programs. Programs are set to group of program for one computer programming language. Java program Visual Basic is there. So lots of programming languages are available in computer language. Clear? So these few advantages I have discussed here. First was understandability, debugging, portability. Clear? So what is a programmer? Anybody knows? What is a programmer? Programmer means programmer is a person. He or she can write programs by using programming languages in computers, or through that programming languages a computer can show or display some data. Clear? If you have any question, please you ask after 9:30 to 9:35. 5 minutes I will give you. Okay. Now, have you understand all of you?